You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting dish name from South Africa, a dish prepared outdoors, which is what the name means. Potjie or Potjie. No, it's actually normally pronounced Potjie. Yeah? Potjie. Sorry, I get confused by it as well. Potjie, not Potjie, Potjie. Don't ask me why, that's how it's said, Potjie. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.